If you woke up tomorrow at a very old age, would you be happy? Well, here's my take on it. One day you will wake up old, and that day is not too far away. And when that day comes, trust me, you don't want to have any regrets. Life is far too short to be worrying about other people's opinion. The only opinion that matters is your own. So if you hate that job, quit. If you want to travel, go. If you love that person, just tell. And just a little reminder that your parents won't be here forever, and neither will your friends. It may seem far away now, but believe me, their time and your time will come closer than you expect. So appreciate your family, appreciate your friends, and promise yourself one thing: you will live your life for you. The fear of judgment and approval and validation is holding you back from truly being happy. I hope this video finds you, and when it does, do share with someone who's very dear to you. Thank you.